Hello, welcome to Juniper Level Botanic Garden, the home of Plant Delights Nursery. There's one question I always hate to answer, and that is, what is my favorite plant? Well, I'm kneeling down behind one of my absolute favorite plants. This is the Aztec lily. It's Sprekelia formosissima. Sprekelia is just somebody's family name, Spreckle. Formosissima means very beautiful. And the Aztec lily, as you might guess from its common name, is native to Mexico. I don't know if it's wider spread than that. It's not a lily. It's in the Ammarylis family. And it is a very close relative of the common Ammarylis. Well, that's another name change. The common Ammarylis are now in the genus Hippeastrum. But they are closely enough related that you can cross the two and come up with hybrids between them. Now, I don't think they've improved on anything by hybridizing. Because, well, let me go back one step. The Aztec lilies, as you can see, are strongly bilaterally symmetrical. If you drew a line down the center of the flower, each half would be like a mirror image of the other. Typical Ammarylis Ammarylis flower is radially symmetrical. And when you cross the two, you end up with flowers that don't have this exquisite geometry of the Aztec lily and are more like an Ammarylis flower. So to my mind, what's the point? But this is our selection, Mobile Queen, and it's in full bloom in almost the middle of May, but it will rebloom several times over the over the course of the summer and into early fall. Often, many months in between bloom, but retaining this beautiful foliage in between. And one day you're out in the garden and you realize it's in bloom again, so you stop what you're doing and just enjoy the flowers. You could certainly pick the flowers and take them in the house. I'm sure they're just as good a flower as an Ammarylis flower. They want a sunny location and just average soil. Like their Ammarylis relatives, they're growing from a bulb. The plant disappears over winter and regrows every spring. It's an easy plant. This one was planted in 2011, so it's now 15 years old. It was probably planted out of our sort of standard 3.5-inch pots, so it's multiplied into a nice clump in 15 years. And in your own garden, you could divide this clump and spread it around. But it's really a beautiful thing and so easy in the garden. And I think everyone ought to have it in their garden if they have a sunny enough spot for it. Thank you very much for your time today, and I hope to see you again in the garden.